Hello and welcome back friends to this new video, and in this video I will be showing you how to reset your login password in Windows 11. This will work for only a local account, whether it is an administrator account or a standard account. It will not work for a Microsoft account which is online. You have to visit the Microsoft website for that option. So what we'll be using is this accessibility menu option to bring about command prompt where we can run some command to reset our password instead of this accessibility menu. So for that, what you need to do is press shift on your keyboard and then restart your PC as normally. This will bring about this advanced menu option. Click on troubleshoot, click on advanced option and click on command prompt. Here we'll be running some commands. So first you need to locate your C drive where the Windows folder is located. So we'll go to C: and press dir. As you can see, the Windows folder is located here. Yours may be different. Yours may be either in the D drive, or if you have a E drive you can search for there, but mine is in the C drive. As you can see, there is no F drive in my PC. So I will go back to the C drive by pressing C: and enter. Go to the Windows folder by typing the command cd space Windows. Press enter. Then go to cd space system32. Press enter. Then you need to type rename command, that is ren, and give a space. Give utilman.exe, give a space and click utilman1.exe. Again rename ren cmd.exe and space utilman.exe. Then click continue, and once in the login screen press this accessibility menu option to bring the command prompt and type the following commands here: control space user passwords 2. Press enter. Click on the user ID and click on reset password. If you want a blank password, just click OK. Click OK again, close it and click on this arrow or press enter here to log in to your account. As simple as that. And now we have to revert all the things we have renamed back to its original name. Again press shift and click on restart. Once in this menu, click on troubleshoot, click advanced options, go to command prompt, click C:, enter, press cd space Windows, then again cd space system32, then again follow this command to rename it back to the original name. Now close this command prompt window and click on continue, and as you can see you have a login account without any password. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't and click on the bell notification for more such videos. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.